Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get $65 for free from avacoin. So this is a mining project and you can withdraw for free once you have 400,000 coins of avacoin. So all you're going to do is click on this gold circle at the middle. But before then, I'm going to show you guys some withdrawal proof. So you can see this guy right here withdraws $65 for free. Another of our Telegram member withdraws $65 for free. So it's very simple. So I'm going to be walking you guys throughout the whole process of the mining. So I'm going to leave the link under the video. Once you click on the link, you're going to land on this page. It's a Telegram bot. So you click on start. Once you click on the start button, you're going to see start game. So you're going to play the game. So you click on start game. Once you click on the start game button, it's going to prompt you to click on the start to launch the website on your Telegram account. You're using only Telegram to run this update, only Telegram. So you're going to see this gold at the center. So your money, you have a target of 7,500. So you can see the target right here, 7,500 per day. So your target increases every day. So once you reach 400,000, you can withdraw, and this can be done within a week or two. I'm going to show you guys a trick. But to end, you just click on this gold circle. Click on this gold, any part of the gold, just keep on tapping on it till you reach 7,500 and you're done for the day. So I'm going to show you guys how you can automate the process. So you're going to go over to your Play Store and then you search for auto clicker. You're going to search for auto clicker application, yeah, auto clicker. Then you're going to click on auto clicker, this second one, yes. You're going to install the app on your phone and open it. Once you open it, it's going to prompt you to do some settings, like allow it some permissions. You're going to grant all the permissions it asks for. So you're going to grant the permissions. So I'm going to do it right now. So after accepting and granting all the permissions, you're going to go back to the application. You're going to see settings, the first settings, click on it. Then you're going to reduce the time to 1 milliseconds. Then you go back, click on enable. Once you enable it, you're going to see this stuff. Now go back to your Telegram account where the avacoin is. Then you're going to draw this blue target button to any part of the gold circle. So once you have positioned it, where you click on the play button for the auto clicking to start. So now this is clicking by itself. I'm not touching my phone right now. It's clicking on its own. So you can just charge your phone or drop your phone anywhere. Maybe you just keep your phone while it's charging. You're going to be mining this coin for free. Once it gets to 7,500, then you stop mining. It's as simple as that. So that's how the whole process works. So use the auto clicker. Once you get your daily target, you stop. You can even do it overnight. Just plug your phone so that this thing will mine. Once you get 400,000 of this coin, you can actually withdraw. So after mining, you can click on this pause button. Then, so as you can see, I actually skipped the video. So now I'm on 9,000 coins. This was done by the auto clicker. Auto clicker helped me to mine up to 9,000 of this coin. So my daily target have been passed. So this is a new day. So I'm going to keep on mining and mining and mining. A new day on the app. So I'm going to keep on mining. So you can see everything is being done by the auto clicker. So you can just position your phone while you allow the auto clicker to run on the background for you. It's going to be mining for you. Once you get up to 400,000 of the coin, you can actually swap to USDT on the site here, on the avacoin site on your Telegram account, and you withdraw. So you just click on this dollar sign. You're going to see it. You can see your good coin. You can actually swap it to USDT. See, once you collect 400,000 of the coin, you're going to put your address here from your Trust wallet or from your crypto wallet, and then you place withdrawal. It's as simple as that. So just make sure you are mining this avacoin. So once you get to 400k, you can withdraw. That is $65. So make sure you run this update now before it gets outdated. It's not going to take much of your time. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. So like this video and subscribe. Goodbye.